Welcome student of class 11. Today I am going to teach you some short answer type questions from your second lesson in prose, forgetting. Question number 1. What is the quality of memory of a modern man? The memory of modern man is sharp. He keeps everything in his memory that is related to number second. Things which modern people do not forget. Modern man usually remembers the dates of good vintages, telephone numbers, addresses of his friends, and appointments for lunch and dinner. He also remembers the names of actors, actresses, football, murderers. Next question. What does the writer say in defense of forgetfulness? The writer says that there are some matters that cannot be kept in memory because memory does not work with complete perfection every time. Therefore, certain matters are generally forgotten. Next question. The ordinary people have better memory. Why? It has been seen that ordinary people have better memory as they arrive at their destination with all their bag and baggage safely without losing any article. Next question. What does the writer think about the anglers? Anglers means fishermen, machware. According to the writer, the anglers are the most imaginative person. They are the men who invent magnificent lies on their journey to home. The next question. Describe the story of the baby in the perambulator in brief. Taking a baby while going for a walk. In a perambulator, a father happens to pass by a public house and is attracted to have a glass of beer. He leaves the child perambulator on the door of the public house. He comes for shopping in the market and sees the child sleeping in the perambulator. She wheels away the perambulator home. She hopes that her husband would be very upset when she finds a child lost. He would come home with a white face and quivering lips, but to the great astonishment of his wife, astonishment means surprise, he comes and asks cheerfully for lunch. He does not ask anything about the child. He forgets everything about it. The next question. Why do many people fail to remember to take medicine at their appointment time? Many people fail to remember to take medicine at the appointed time because they wish to forget it. They are not interested in taking pills and poisons. Next question. What is the commonest form of forgetfulness? Commonest form of forgetfulness is posting the letter. The commonest form of forgetfulness is when someone is asked to post the letters, he forgets to post them. There is a reason behind it, that his mind may be filled with some more important things than the matter of posting the letters. What is absent-mindedness of this kind? Is a virtue according to Robert Lind. Robert Lind, who is Robert Lind? Robert Lind is the writer of forgetting. According to Robert Lind, absent-mindedness is a virtue because the mind of such person may be filled with some noble things of higher value. The next and last question. Why is the memory of sportsmen worse than that of other ordinary people. The memory of sportsmen is worse than that of other ordinary people because they are very imaginative. During their journey, they are engrossed in the glow of success in the game or ashamed and disheartened when they remember their mistakes. They even forget their bats and balls in the train. That's all. Okay, student. Goodbye.